Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is health benefits, uses and how to store bananas.
Did you know that bananas are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious? They are packed with fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that can help with weight loss, improve digestion, and promote heart health. These unique fruits are native to Southeast Asia but are now grown in more than 150 tropical countries worldwide. Whether you enjoy them plain, in a smoothie, or as a topping for your oatmeal, bananas are a convenient and tasty way to add serious nutrition to your diet. Here are 12 health benefits of bananas.
Before starting,
don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin.
1. Banana nutrients.
Bananas are packed with nutrients like vitamin B6, magnesium, fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin A. They are low in fat and protein but high in carbohydrates, water, and antioxidants. A medium banana has 112 calories, 29 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 12% of the daily value, DV. It can improve sleep, cognitive function, and immune system health, regulate blood pressure and sugar, and maintain a healthy weight.
2. May boost blood sugar levels.
Bananas are rich in soluble fiber and resistant starch, which can help slow stomach emptying, control blood sugar levels, and manage hunger.
Although they contain carbohydrates, they have little impact on a low-carb diet. For people with diabetes, consuming one banana at a time can help prevent high blood sugar levels.
Half a banana as a snack is a good option for managing diabetes.
3.
May aid weight loss. Bananas benefit weight loss due to their low calorie count, high dietary fiber, and nutritional value. They are a satisfying and low-calorie option for people who want to reduce their meal size and frequency. You can include unripe bananas in your diet by treating them like plantains. Additionally, bananas contain 3 grams of soluble fiber, which aids in regulating cholesterol and blood pressure, and reducing inflammation, making them a good choice for weight control.
4. May improve digestive health.
Bananas are a great source of dietary fiber, including resistant starch and pectin, which can improve digestion and promote healthy gut bacteria growth. Pectin can reduce constipation and potentially prevent colon cancer, although more research is required. Bananas also contain probiotics, prebiotics, and FOS, which can treat various health conditions. Unripe bananas, mainly, are rich in resistant starch that aids in weight loss, constipation, cholesterol lowering, and colon cancer prevention. They are often used in flour and other food products to promote a healthier diet.
5. Full of antioxidants.
Bananas are high in dietary antioxidants, including flavonoids and amines, necessary for good health. These antioxidants serve to protect cells from oxidative damage produced by free radicals. Inadequate consumption can form these damaging free radicals, which can cause injury if levels rise too high. 6.
May support heart health.
Bananas are an excellent potassium source for heart health and blood pressure control. A potassium-rich diet can reduce blood pressure, hypertension, and heart disease risk by 27%. Bananas also contain magnesium, another essential mineral for heart health. Magnesium shortage can raise the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and high blood fat levels, so getting enough through food or supplements is critical. Potassium prevents arterial hardening and high blood pressure by relaxing blood vessel walls and releasing salt during urination. A medium banana supplies around 10% of your daily potassium requirements. However, excessive potassium intake can be hazardous to renal health, so it's best to consult a doctor to determine the proper amount. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video.
Thank you.
7.
May help you feel fuller.
Bananas are a satisfying snack due to their high fiber and low calorie count. They bulk up the digestive tract and inhibit digestion, offering them a healthier alternative to processed or sugary packed snacks. However, they are low in protein, making them an excellent choice for people who like a protein-rich snack. Alternatively, bananas can be mixed into a protein shake.
8. Unripe may improve insulin sensitivity.
Insulin resistance is a significant risk factor for chronic illnesses such as type 2 diabetes. Consuming resistant starch may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to respond more effectively to insulin. However, more research is needed to determine the influence on bananas.
9. Could enhance kidney health.
Potassium is essential for renal function and blood pressure management. Bananas are high in potassium, making them especially beneficial for people with early-stage chronic renal disease. A 2019 study discovered potassium can lower blood pressure and halt renal disease progression. However, some people who have late-stage kidney disease or are on dialysis must limit their potassium consumption. Before increasing your potassium consumption, consult a healthcare practitioner.
10. Memory and mood help.
Bananas are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that improves mood and prevents cognitive decline, which can lead to memory loss.
Research is ongoing to determine the optimal approach to use these chemicals for brain health. 11.
May help with exercise recovery. Bananas are generally considered great for athletes due to their quickly digestible carbohydrates, electrolytes, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help to prevent muscle cramps and pain during strenuous exercise. While there is limited evidence of bananas' benefits on performance, cramping, and exercise recovery, they provide good nutrients before, during, and after exercise.
12.
Easy to incorporate into your diet. Bananas are a healthy and handy snack that may be mixed into yogurt, cereal, smoothies, whole grain bread with peanut butter, or used to replace sugar in baking and cooking. They are simple to travel, well tolerated, and digestible, and can be peeled for convenient ingestion. How to store bananas. Bananas ripen quickly, so store them out of direct sunlight, in a shut refrigerator drawer, or on a banana hanger to ensure even ripening. Store them in a paper bag or near other ripe fruits to speed up the ripening process. Once the peel has darkened, chop or mash the banana and freeze it for smoothies or other recipes. Bananas are a great source of nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. However, they tend to ripen quickly due to their high concentration of natural sugars. To ensure that your bananas stay fresh and ripe for longer, it is essential to store them properly. One way to store bananas is by keeping them out of direct sunlight. Exposure to sunlight can cause the fruit to ripen too quickly and spoil. Another way is to store them in a closed refrigerator drawer, which can help slow down the ripening process. Consider using a banana hanger if you prefer to store your bananas at room temperature. A banana hanger can help ensure your bananas ripen evenly and do not bruise or become squished. To speed up the ripening process of bananas, store them in a paper bag or alongside other ripe fruits such as apples or pears. The natural ethylene gas these fruits release can help ripen the bananas faster. If you find that your bananas are ripe and you're not ready to eat them, you can chop or mash them up and freeze them. Frozen bananas are perfect for making smoothies and can be used in various recipes. Remember to follow these tips to keep your bananas fresh and delicious for longer.
Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.